I just arrived in Durres and I already found this amazing restaurant. Look at this, we have some pasta with truffle and pecorino cream. And we have a beautiful view on the other side. Down there we have the beach. Look at the sun shining, reflecting in the sea. And we have the people down there swimming in the sea. This place is called Vertigo. I just found it on Google Maps, it had good reviews. And I could see there was some kind of view, but this is not what I expected. And it's not especially expensive, maybe a bit more expensive than normal for Albania. But nothing like crazy expensive. Now let's try the pasta. That's really good, that's really good. I have to admit it's a rather small portion, but for me that's fine. I'm trying not to eat too much now anyway, especially with this hot weather. You can see, guys, I was seated here. Looked really nice to have another balcony here. And the restaurant looks really nice. You have a lot of space at the window. Thank you, sir. Are we going back down? This restaurant is really nice, and wow, I can hear myself talking here with this roof. So in the end I paid 1,130 lek, which is a bit less than 11 euro for pasta with truffle and a Coke. That's expensive for Albania, but still very affordable for someone from like Europe or the States. So if you want to come to this place, you just go to this elevator, Vertigo. And here outside it's pretty clear as well. Vertigo bar, restaurant and pizzeria. It doesn't look very fancy, but I do advise it. And my hotel is right next to it. It's right here. It's called Nice Beach Hotel. We have room 601, not very visible from this key. Here more or less. So we're going to the 6th floor. That's the room, guys. Nice and fresh because I switched on the air conditioning before. So we have a room here with 2 beds. We have a little table where I can get some work done. Here we have the other room. This is where I'm gonna sleep. We have the double bed. We have a lot of storage space. That's really nice. And we even have a little balcony. On this side we just have the view on the blocks. We have a hill here and there are a lot of cables. Seems like it's just going from that pole to all the apartments up there and here as well. I wonder if that's just for electricity or there is some other reason. It's kind of a mess there, what the hell? Never seen something like that. And then I'm just going to show you the bathroom. Quite simple bathroom, but decent. This is the shower. I have a toilet. I have everything we need, and this is as well the bidet. That's typical here in Albania. This room costs 36 euro per night and breakfast is included.